Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss important MCQ based on De Morgan's law, basics of logic gates, etc. So I request you to go through the question first. So there are 6 questions, starting from question number 5. Then you can refer question number 6. Then remaining 4 questions. You can pause the video and please note down the right answer. So before solving, if you want, I'll show you the theoretical part which I already discussed in the last session. So I have discussed about what is the difference between algebra and Boolean algebra first. Afterwards, I have discussed 3 basic logic gates, like what is AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. This is not actually, okay, don't read it as NOT. This is not only, not operation. So later I discussed the properties. See, this is very important for solving the questions which I shown you right now. Okay, please recall the properties. The properties of OR gate also you have to discuss. Then commutative law, associative law, how to apply distributive law, and you have to apply the statement of De Morgan's law. These are the prerequisites to solve those 6 questions. Anyway, let us start discussing the question. The first part, in Boolean algebra, OR operation is performed by which properties? Associative, commutative, distributive, all of the above. Which is the right answer? Actually, you know the OR operation. Definitely we can say all the properties like associative, commutative, distributive. So, okay, definitely what is the right answer for this question? The right answer is all of the above. All properties actually. Please select option D for this question. Question number 5, the right answer is option D. I think it is very clear. Now, question number 6. The expression for absorption law is given by. We have solved a similar kind of problem, but we haven't mentioned that there is absorption law. So please remember the statement, identify the statement. So consider the first statement, A plus AB. So what is the answer for this? A plus AB. Okay, here which is the common factor? A is a common factor. So let me take A outside. 1 plus B. Now you please tell me A into what is 1 plus B? 1 plus B will be what we can write 1. So A dot 1. What is A dot 1? So this is dot only. Okay, don't misunderstand. A dot 1. A dot 1 is equal to A. Now you tell me which is the correct answer. See, the option A. Option A is the correct answer. So this statement can be called as absorption law. So A is the right answer. See, A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is called a commutative law. And this is also not belong to this particular expression, and this is wrong actually. B is completely wrong, and C also I can't agree, and this is actually commutative law. So option A is the convenient one. So let me call it as absorption law. Question number 7. So please solve question number 7. A into A plus B. You can apply the distribution law. That means A dot A plus A dot B. What is A dot A? We already mentioned A dot A will be always A only. Okay, we have verified actually. We studied the property and A dot B. Here A is a common factor. Let me take A outside. 1 plus B. Now tell me what is 1 plus B. 1 plus B is nothing but 1. A dot 1 is equal to A. Now which is the correct answer? So option D is the correct answer. Please select option D. Hope you are understanding. Now question number 8. Let us solve question number 8. So A plus B dot A bar dot B bar. Now you tell me what is De Morgan law? According to De Morgan's law, A plus B into A bar dot B bar is equal to, how we can write? A bar dot B bar is nothing but A plus B whole bar, no? A plus B whole bar. Am I right? Now A plus B is one term. A plus B complement is another term. Complement, you know, right? Yeah. No, you studied NOT gate. So A plus B into A plus B whole bar. You have studied that A bar is equal to 0, right? A bar is equal to 0. Same thing you apply here. A plus B into A plus B dot A plus B whole bar. That will be always 0 only. So kindly select option B. Let's discuss question number 9. Complement of the expression A bar B plus C D bar. So I have to complement, right? This A bar, right? This is I am convenient. instead of dot I am convenient to write like this, C d bar whole complement, C d bar, like this. Okay, now we can apply the De Morgan's law. That means, okay, AB complement like this, CD bar like this. Now again you can divide. So A bar whole bar, that means A, right? Then B bar into means dot and bar, C bar plus D. Now you please identify the answer. That means A plus B bar, C bar plus D. So please select option B. I think it is clear. You can apply the De Morgan's law and you can verify. That's it. Question number 10. The Boolean function A plus BC is a reduced form of A plus BC. So from the question itself we can identify. Is A is right answer. So if A, how can we write? B into A plus C. Okay, that is not the right answer. Then let us see the option B. So we can elaborate. You can apply the distribution law. A dot A plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot C. Now what is A dot A? A dot A will be A only, correct? Plus AC plus B into here A plus C, right? A plus C. So A into A plus C can be written as A into, I'll be writing the remaining part here, A into 1 plus C plus B into A plus C. B into A plus C. Now 1 plus C means 1. So I can write A plus B into A plus C. B into A plus C. So if you want to elaborate once again, A plus AB plus BC. So here again I want to take out A as a common factor. A dot 1 plus B plus BC. So 1 plus B means 1. A plus BC. So A plus BC is the correct answer. A plus BC. So now I am getting the question. What is A plus BC? A plus BC is nothing but A plus B into A plus C, of course. Okay, this is the right answer. So from this particular solution, you can able to reach from answer to the question. So I have referred the answer first. Definitely I could able to reach. Anyway, yeah, the option D and C are incorrect. Okay, A is completely incorrect. C and D also incorrect. So definitely I have to select option B. Option B is the correct answer. Please select option B. Okay. So this we have familiar with. Okay. So this kind of questions can be expected in the competitive examinations. So please go through those questions. In the previous session also I have discussed some important questions, and sometimes the law can be directly asked, directly or indirectly can be asked. So be ready for that. And this property you have to remember any cost. Try to solve as many problems as you can. And there are a lot of problems are there. Let me in the coming session also I am going to solve few more problems. Definitely that gains your experience. Okay. And remember, this you please correct. This is actually a NOT gate. Okay. And you studied about the basic gates and what's the difference between algebra and Boolean algebra. Okay, these are the things we discussed in the last 2 sessions. And if you are having any queries, you can put up in the comment box. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video.